Hey guys, it is another day and another unboxing and review. Today I have the Hareem Sultan Silver. I also received this one from Aroma Concepts. Kind of excited about this one. I have the other two and I really like them. This one is supposed to be more floral and it's supposed to have rosemary, ylang ylang, some oud and amber in it. So I'm really excited to see what we can pair this one with. Okay, so the notes on this particular fragrance are rose, white musk, rosemary, ylang ylang, oud, and amber. Like I said before, I have all of the others and I really like them. Some of them sometimes I wear them alone and sometimes I pair them with other fragrances. It really just depends on my mood, but I'm interested to see what this one is going to smell like. So this is the container. Again, very heavy packaging, quality glass. You can definitely smell the rose in this one. And the ylang ylang as well. Wow, that one pulls pretty strong. Let's put it on and see what she smells like. You know, it's interesting. I'm actually getting the ylang ylang the most and the rosemary. I do get some musk in there and a little bit of amber, but not much. It's mainly the ylang ylang. The rosemary's coming through a little bit. And you do get the rose as it's developing. I do get, yeah, the rose is becoming more prominent. I really like this fragrance. I would wear this one alone, or I could pair it with some other things. I may go up into my collection and see what I can find that would pair well with it. But yeah, this one is a winner. I don't know that I like it as much as the other two in the category, but you know, I do like it. I'm not a huge fan of rose personally, so it's not gonna be one of my go-tos probably, but it is beautiful and it will make a wonderful addition to my collection. So go ahead and comment and let me know if you guys like this perfume oil, if you guys have anything that you think I should add to my collection, or if there's anything that you'd like me to review.